It's the return of the MotoGP gossip with the latest roundup following the two-day Misano test, plus reaction from the British MotoGP and the first test at the KymiRing. From GP1.com, Maverick Vinales doubts Yamaha's 2020 MotoGP bike is currently at the competitive level of Ducati or Honda and says Valentino Rossi shares his feelings after the two-day Misano test. Repsol Honda team boss, Alberto Puig says, Jorge Lorenzo met expectations on his MotoGP comeback at the British round last time out. Lorenzo had been out of action for 2 months following fractured vertebrae sustained in a practice crash at Assen last June and finished in 14th place on his racing return at Silverstone. Finland's new KymiRing continues to receive criticism following the recent MotoGP test with KTM's Mika Kallio stating, they have to rebuild the track due to the problems riders faced. The Finnish MotoGP round joins the race calendar for 2020. Pol Espargaro has poured credit on Dani Pedrosa and his work as KTM test rider preparing the Austrian brand's 2020 MotoGP bike as he got to grips with it at the Misano test. Espargaro feels the new KTM already has greater cornering speed capabilities, thanks to a new frame.